Grim motherfucking films.
This is a film I did called Bird of Jane in 2003, I think. And man, I should not have done this film. They didn't pay me enough. I was doing it just because I really wanted to meet Jane, the supermodel, who played herself in this. She's a fantastic actor. But I just really called it in for this one. You'll see.
Fashion. It was everywhere. Millions of models all trying to become supermodels. But the one who is the most famous supermodel of all time was Jane. Jane was built different. She had a certain set of skills that made her the best model ever. She had the stuff. No one could beat her, but because of this, she was lonely, very lonely. Jane would spend a lot of time alone, ostracized from the world. But she wasn't alone. You see, Jane was a very special girl. She had what some would say, bird summoning powers. And whenever she had the free time, she would summon her very special bird friend.
Where are you, my bird? I need to talk to you. I'm calling you, my bird.
Here I come, baby! I'm your bird, baby! Horsepower! Horsepower! Here don't you love me, baby? Don't you love me? Oh, gagonga! Oh, gagonga! Big gonkers! Gagonka gonkers! Da-na-na-na-na-na-na! Da-na-na-na-na-na-na! Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na! Oh, jungle, 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 jungle! Oh, jungle, 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 jungle! Big gonkers!